Hey guys, it's Miss Cáceres. So for this week in math, we're going to be learning how to multiply fractions by a whole number. So as you guys can see, I have two multiple fractions here, and you have to multiply them by a whole number. Now, you're probably thinking, wow, this is going to be really complicated, but there's a real simple way of doing that. What we do is we take our whole number, and we will simply add the number 1 at the bottom, turning it into a fraction as well. And all we have to do now is multiply across numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So that would give us 6 over 3. And clearly, this is what we call an improper fraction, because our numerator is larger than our denominator. So how do we fix that problem? We take our numerator and we're going to divide that through our denominator. So that's practically asking ourselves, how many times does 3 fit into 6? And that gives us 2 as an answer. Now you might be surprised to see that in the end, we actually have a whole number instead of a fraction, but I assure you that this is the correct answer, since 2 is smaller than 6, and that's because we multiplied by a fraction that's smaller than a half. So let's do that again one more time. We have 2/5, and we have to multiply that by 8, which is a whole number. So again, we just add a denominator at the bottom, number 1, and now it's no longer a whole number, but actually a fraction. And again, we just multiply across. 2 times 8 will give us 16, and 5 times 1 will give us 5. And again, we're going to do the same process. Since our numerator is larger than our denominator, we are going to divide our numerator, 16, into our denominator, 5. And I'm actually going to show you the process of this one, because it's not going to give us a whole number answer. It's not going to give us just one answer. It's actually going to give us a remainder. So I'm going to show you guys how that's actually going to look. We put 16 here, and we divide that by 5. The closest number that we're going to come with is going to be 3. And we know that 5 times 3, or 3 times 5, whichever you want, is going to give us 15. So as you can see, we're actually going to have a remainder of 1 left. So what do we do in this case? Well, we take the number by which we multiply by and make that into our whole number. We take our remainder and make that our numerator. And we copy our denominator. And there you go. Simple way of multiplying fractions by a whole number. I can't wait to see what you guys think in class. Have a great day. Bye.